Number 125 in classwork for quadratic functions asks you to graph the new function after we perform a transformation on the original function, which is f of x given by x squared, and we want to analyze this new function. So here, if we have x squared is our f, if we plug in x minus 1 for all our values of x, we'll get f of x minus 1 is equal to x minus 1 squared. Then plugging this into our h equation, so h of x becomes this x minus 1 squared plus 4. So basically we have our original function, which is x squared, but with a horizontal translation of 1 unit to the right and 4 units up. So our vertex is at 1, 4 now, and the parabola still opens upwards. So our transformation, so we have a horizontal shift, and h is plus 1, and k is plus 4. Our domain still is from negative infinity to infinity. It's possible for all x values. Our range, though, is from this minimum point, which is at our vertex, so that's 4 to infinity, because it opens upwards. Our max, or min, so we have a min at the vertex, which is 1, 4. We have no x-intercepts, none, because it lies above the y-axis. We do have a y-intercept though, so that is when x is equal to 0. So h of x, when h is 0, we have 0 minus 1 squared plus 4, which is negative 1 squared, which I'll just write as 1 plus 4 is 5. So we have y-intercept at 0, 5. The function is increasing when it is on this side of the vertex, so it is going upwards. So that is from 1 to infinity. It is decreasing on the left side of the vertex, so that's from negative infinity to 1. We have odd, even, neither behavior. So if this function was even, then it would be symmetric across the y-axis. It is not, because our vertex is not on the y-axis, so it's not even. And if we rotated this graph by 180 degrees, we would get a function that would lie somewhere over here, and it would open downwards. So it is not the same image, so it's not odd, which means this is neither. And our end behavior, so if you look at as we come from negative infinity and positive infinity, our function opens upwards to infinity, so our end behavior is increases towards left and right.